Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can place cars in your house in Heartopia, like how you can place this parking spot, I guess, or garage, I don't know, this car spot. I don't know what to call it, but basically if you go to your inventory, like your backpack, or maybe you stored it in your warehouse, move it to your backpack first, grab the car and just press place, and then you'll be able to place a car next to it. If for instance you use the car like this and you want to put it back in the parking spot, you can just go next to it and you'll see this button, and then it's going to go back to its place. But yeah, that is it. You can also do this for motorcycles. I think it's in my warehouse. Yes. Let's just carry it all. I'm not going to place a green motorcycle one. Sorry. And then you're just going to do the exact same thing and just place it in your house like so. Sorry again, I'm not done with my house, so this will have to do right now. Let's place that and place, where's the other one? This one too. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.